All right, maintenance video for you today. If you live in a high wind area or close to the ocean and you find that your windows are quite dirty, I'm going to show you something that you want to look out for. You can see all this built up dirt and grime and whatnot in the corners on the outside of your windowsills. Go ahead and pop those screens off if you need to, but look at that. Over time, that is definitely some buildup, and that's fine if it's on the outside. We're going to remove the actual window, and you can see that it actually goes kind of on the inside of your windows as well. Again, high winds, or if you live in a salty area. But more importantly, this video, check out your windows on the outside. There should be these little water, these little holes, these little, yours might be circular or whatever. Obviously they might be different, but that's drainage, so when it rains, your water can kind of go out. It doesn't sit in the actual windowsill. So if you pop your screens out, you can see, okay, if it rains, it's going to go down through that. The water's going to exit through that little hole and out the side of the window frame. So over time, if that gets plugged up, because in theory it can, right? Look at all that dirt right there. So why wouldn't it go down into that hole, especially if water, when it rains, is kind of bringing dirt down, and as it dries, it might deposit dirt. So you want to make sure those don't get plugged up. And to do so, you can use a little can of compressed air, unless you want to find something a little smaller, like maybe a Q-tip or whatnot. And well, this is what we do about once a year is what this is. And shake the can of compressed air, and I'll put a link down below in the description, by the way, as I always do if you're interested. But go ahead and give that some blasts, and then just make sure it's clear on the exit point. Again, you don't want those to clog up, then you don't have any water drainage, and you don't want those things plugging up. So do that once a year. Hopefully this helps. Thanks.